wanted to do is really get an insider to actually give us the true story of Bitcoin in India, and somebody that has been there from the beginning, and that is Sunny Ray. So Sunny, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Simon. Really excited about this. So it was definitely apparent to us that the RBI doesn't like to be challenged. In fact, this was the second time in history, in India's history, that the Supreme Court ever overruled the RBI. So really it was unprecedented, and yeah, I was quite pleasantly surprised by this verdict. We thought, this technology is not going to be hidden away from the world. It's gonna change the world, and so people who regulate these types of things should also be aware and just be in the know. And so we actually invited people from different government departments, and a lot of people don't know this, but someone from the RBI showed up at that event.